The four cardinal rules. The first, aim high. I have always believed that if you are going to commit yourself to something, it's as easy to do something big as it is to do something small. Both will consume your full time and energy. So think carefully about their ultimate upsides and potentials, he said. In the long term, it's important to reach for a fantasy that is worthy of your pursuit. Second, every crisis is an opportunity. One of the most valuable skills I have learned is the ability to identify new opportunities, even in moments of crisis or after experiencing a setbacks, Schwarzman said. Take the current global pandemic for example. While daunting, the up unprecedented natures of this crisis presents a unique opportunity for you to sharpen your ability to spot risks early on in your career. Ask yourself, he told students, to question what decades long trends were being challenged. How is it changing how people think and behave? Third, innovate. As I look at the world today, one of the most pivotal drivers of future global growth will be artificial intelligence. The game changing nature of AI cannot be understood. It will impact almost every field of human endeavor. But whether the technology will be a force for good or whether it will disrupt society and life as we know it remains to be seen, he said. Everyone needs to take steps to maximize AI's benefit while minimizing its risks. But as India's leading technologist, the burden falls even more squarely on your shoulders. It will be up to you to define India's role in the global transformation being driven by AI and to ensure that India is included in the conversation on international governance and cooperation in this area. Fourth, hold yourself accountable. He told the class of 2020, remember two words, excellence and integrity. As graduates of IIT, you don't need me to tell you about excellence. As for integrity, the easiest way I can explain it is in terms of reputation. To earn a great reputation, think long term. Stick to your core values and never divide from your sense of right and wrong. In conclusion, the co-founder of Blackstone told graduates that success boiled down to rare moment of opportunity and to be open alert and ready to seize them. The most accomplished individuals have the confidence and courage to act when opportunity appears. They accept risks when others are cautious and act when everyone else is frozen, but they do so wisely. Thank you.